In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pricing table to your Blogger site. Now, whether you're offering different service tiers, variegated product lines, or just looking to showcase packages with clear and concise pricing, being able to integrate a pricing table is essential. Adding a pricing table to your Blogger site might initially seem a bit tricky, but once you know how, it's straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. We'll start by heading over to your Blogger dashboard. From there, you'll want to focus on the left-hand sidebar. Within this sidebar, one of the options you'll see is called Layout. Go ahead and click on that. Now, what the layout section allows you to do is customize how your blog's various elements are displayed. It's essentially like your blog's control room, where you have the reins to rearrange and add new features as needed. Once you're in the layout section, you'll notice that your page is divided into various sections that represent different parts of your website. Here, you'll need to look for a link or button labeled Add a Gadget. You might find several Add a Gadget options on your layout page because each section is flexible, so pick the one that best corresponds to where you want your pricing table to appear. Think of a gadget as a building block for additional features you can stack within your blog's design. After clicking Add a Gadget, a new window or panel will open, showcasing a variety of gadgets you can add. From these options, you're going to select the one labeled html+javascript. This is an ideal choice for a pricing table because it allows you to directly input customized code, like the kind needed for a table, without any fuss. Next, you'll have a blank space where you can input your code. Simply paste your previously acquired pricing table code into this box. This code could come from your web designer, a third-party website that specializes in pricing tables, or even a table you've coded yourself. It's important to ensure that this code is clean and functional to prevent any display issues. Once your code is in place, click the Save button. This step will ensure that your gadget is now complete and ready to be inserted into your blog layout. But we're not quite done yet. It's crucial to also save your overall layout configuration. This final step is the glue that holds all your recent changes in place. To finish up, navigate to the top of the layout page and hit Save one more time. By doing this, you confirm that all new settings are fully implemented and live on your site. Now, you should have a fully functional pricing table ready for your viewers. And there you have it, a complete, simple process for showcasing your pricing structure right on your Blogger page, creating an organized and visually appealing way for your visitors to understand their options at a glance.